ये देखिए फ्रेंड्स, ये कितना डेंस हो गया है। ये डेंस फॉरेस्ट के अंदर कुछ ऐसे स्पॉट्स हैं जहां आर पार दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। कैन यू सी थ्रू? नो। दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ नीडेड बाय आवर एनिमल्स फॉर रिप्रोडक्शन and for their nesting. So they are nesting, they are reproducing, and they are enjoying, they are getting their food also from here. So just see this beautiful patch, which is invisible from all sides. And it is continuing, with the bamboo, with the banyan tree, with the bear for food. So just see this is going like half circle, and inside lot of reproduction is being done by birds and other species of animals and peacocks also. Just see this patch also. So we are moving towards that, and just see the growth, and it is invisible. This is surrounded by all big trees which has become big in last 9 years, all because of citizens of Pune. Just see this round and round, you will feel so happy that things are getting from better to excellent. God bless you. Thank you.